Hey there! So, we're diving into a problem with using std, unordered_set, for the first time with a custom type. Our friend here has a class, my class, with various operators and functors defined for comparisons. The issue arises when trying to check if an element exists in the set using contains. The problem seems to lie in passing a parameter that is not a myClass object, resulting in a confusing compiler error. Now let's talk about the solution to this conundrum. By adding the is_transparent equals std true underscore type to both the hash and equal structs, we inform the std unordered_set that it can use the hasher and comparator with objects other than the key type. This adjustment allows the set to handle comparisons with different parameter types, such as strings and char**, making the contains method work seamlessly. To sum it up, making those small tweaks in the hash and equal structs resolves the compilation error and enables smooth operations with std unordered_set for custom types. Problem solved! Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!